I'm not kidding. My brother's cat is on my table. Get off my table, you silly cat. He was licking the syrup off my plate. Seriously. You're a weird cat. You're a drama kitty. You always meow and stuff. So, here's the evidence, guys. First he got on my lap, and then he got on the table. He's not supposed to be on the table. But he's purring about it like he's done something good. So, here it is. Rizzy. Riz. Yeah, you know what you did. You know what you did. You know what you did. You see a cat. Now he's going for the milk. Because he knows there's milk in the cup. It's just like, I want some milk too. I want to lick it up. Yeah, I want to lick it up. And Cooper's like, what the heck is going on? I'm just like, really amazed that he's like on the table and he's sitting on the table like it's nothing. Like, I don't care about this. I don't care if I get in trouble. Yay, I'm on the table. But I'm gonna get him off the table in a few seconds. So here's what I'm seeing, guys, before I go to work. My brother's cat on the table. So I let him out from downstairs to give him a break from my brother, but he was on the steps anyway.